Hey there, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today, I'm going to show you our 7-inch cost-effective basic HMI that has an 800 by 480 resolution and a resistive touchscreen. It's the HMI5070Bv3. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what it looked like when you first open the box. You will see the warranty as well as the installation guide. And then inside is the HMI5070Bv3, and it's wrapped in anti-static plastic. And then also inside there's accessories. So here are some mounting brackets and screws for panel mounting. Okay, I'm going to remove the HMI from the anti-static plastic. Here is the HMI5070Bv3. It's a 7-inch 800 by 480 resistive touchscreen, and it also has a dual core RISC 1 gigahertz CPU. So it has 2 cores for improved processing, so it's more efficient. And it supports over 300 serial and Ethernet protocols and has an operating temperature of 0 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. On the bottom of the HMI, there is a detachable green power connector for a 24-volt DC power supply. Then there is one DE9 serial COM port used for various serial protocols. There's also a USB 2.0 host port, which is used for uploading, downloading, extended memory, so it's used for backing up files. Then there's one RJ45 Ethernet LAN port, which is used for uploading, downloading, and going online with your HMI. It's also used for various Ethernet protocols. Now I'm going to power on the HMI, so I have a power supply going into the HMI. Then I also have an Ethernet cable going into the LAN port, because a little later on I'm going to download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. So I'm going to turn on the power supply. The HMI is going to boot up. It's going to load the demo project here. Now, this demo project does not come with this HMI when you receive it. You will need to download it from the Maple Systems website from the sample projects page, and I will show you that in a moment. Now you're looking at the demo project on the HMI, and I'm using VNC to remote into the HMI to show the demo project. So first, I'm going to walk you through some of the highlights and features in the demo project, and then I'm also going to walk you through the system settings. So first, let's go into the demo project. I'm going to use my mouse. I'm going to click on bit lamp and toggle switch. Here you can turn a toggle on and off. You can see the bit lamp turn on and off. Home. You can go to tank level and bar chart. Here you can see a simulated bar chart, and the tank level is going up. Let's go to Modbus TCP IP master. Here are some examples of using Modbus. Let's go to scaling raw inputs. You can see the raw input and scaled input here being simulated. And then let's go to data sampling and trending. Here you can see a simulated trend display as well as some history data as well. So those are some of the features in the demo project. Now you can go to the Maple Systems website and download this sample project as well. So you go to the website and then go to sample projects, and right here is the demo project you can download. Now I'm going to show you the system settings in the HMI, and to do that I'm going to use my stylus, and I'm going to show you the resistive touchscreen on the HMI. So in the bottom right corner of the HMI there is an arrow. You click this and it opens up a menu right here in the bottom right corner. You click the gear icon, and here you'll need to enter the admin password, which allows you to see your system settings. So by default, the password is 6 ones, so enter 111111, click OK, and it opens up your system settings. Now I'm going to go back to my mouse in VNC. So here you can enter your IP address, you can edit your IP address here, and click Next. Here's the time and date, security settings, history, you can clear recipe, clear event log, clear data log. You can change your HMI name here. You can do an OS upgrade. Enable VNC. Now to enable VNC, you'll just click Start VNC Single Connection or Multi-Connection, whichever one you like. And then you'll need to enter a password to enter VNC. Now, by default, VNC password is the same as your admin password, which is 6 ones. Here you can adjust the brightness on your HMI. So you can take this here and you can see in the bottom left corner, you can see the HMI dimming. Bring that back up. Click Next. Here you can hide mouse cursor, enable keyboard beep sound. You can turn that on and off. Easy Access 2.0, you'll need a separate license for. Then also you can change the language. And again, here's the network settings. Those are the system settings on your HMI. Now I want to download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. So let's go into EBPro. Here in EBPro, I first want to show you the 300 plus serial and Ethernet protocols you can choose from in your EBPro project. And to do that, you want to go up to the Home tab, click System Parameters, and then New Device/Server. And then Device Type, click the arrow here. And here you'll see all of those driver protocols right here. And then you can also just click this and use a drop-down menu, and then you can see those serial and Ethernet protocols here. And then you'll be able to add them to your project. Now I'm going to download this project to the HMI. So go to Project, Download. Make sure you have the correct IP address here. Check off runtime if you're downloading for the first time. Click Download. It'll take some time for the project to download to the HMI. Look in the bottom right corner. You'll see it downloading. Say Download Files on the HMI. It'll say Scan, Font Finished, Reboot, HMI, All Finished. Then it'll load the project onto the HMI. Well, that wraps up everything today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our basic HMI line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Also, be sure to watch the EBPro video training series located under the Support tab in the Video Center on the Maple Systems website. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.